Hello and welcome to my video. So here today I will try to demonstrate a small painting. The I have divided the whole process into three main part. Just trying to make it more easier. The first part is sketching. That is when we put the shapes on our paper with very light pencil lines. When we are sketching, we are blocking the area of the object, and calculating the negative space and the positive space by keeping in mind what we want to keep in the foreground, how much space we want to keep in the foreground, and how much to be kept in the background. And just trust me, it is entirely on the artist. This arrangement of space, drawing of the shapes for the sketching is entirely the choice of the artist, and it differs. So you can always keep on changing the arrangement till the desired result is achieved. The demonstration which I am giving you right here is about sketching, and then the step number 2, the drawing, where you will be erasing the unnecessary lines and giving more precise lines to see the actual objects on the paper with the suggestion of light and dark, and how much space the object is taking. The color part comes after you finish the drawing. So in the initial stage, I have tried a light pressure on the pencil so as to arrange the objects on the paper, and gradually building the space. This is I'm just imagining things. These all things are imaginary, and you can no doubt arrange some of the things in front of you. That is the actual process. You cannot imagine and do still life. So you can arrange some things and can draw. So this is what I am doing. And the second step, where the object must be more accurate, more precise, and very clear to you, irrespective of the lines of the sketching, where you have no erasers to use. Here you can use the eraser. In this second step, that is in the drawing, you can use eraser to come up with a clean drawing. So this is I have used a steel container here and a small bottle of jam, and another small container. At the back side of the bigger one, and a spoon which is placed diagonally. So you have to keep in mind the arrangement of space also, how much you have to keep in, how much you want to keep in the foreground, and how much to be kept in the background. Okay, you can create your uh, own version. This is just an example. You can have shoes, you can have different types of containers, you can have cloths, you can have bags, etc. Objects can be used as the still life. Okay, be careful not to use too much of dark lines. If the light line which you have used for the sketching is accurate, or that is the line which you need, you can keep the line. You need not to erase that line at all. Okay. This is the first part of the 3 videos. In the later part, in part 2, I will start the color portion of that. And keep practicing, that is very important, because all of a sudden if you want to draw still life, I don't think it will happen in a jiffy, because this is a subject where you need a constant practice. So you keep on practicing the sketching and the drawing. The sketchbook should be there with you always, so that you can keep on recording the rough ideas which you come up with, or the things which you see around, just to note the ideas. That will help definitely. Okay, so